Let me show you the demo of AscynAwait, how to implement AscynAwait and how AscynAwait works. Here I have created an app.js file. In this file I have only single method getItems. Here I have created a new promise. In this promise I have added some delay for 1 second. After completing the 1 second, the resolve method will call and promise will be resolved with array values. It will send the array. I already showed you how to consume the promise. If you don't know about how to consume the promise, let me show you. You need to call the getItems. Then method will be called when promise has been resolved. The resolve value, it will send the resolve value, which is the items, array of items. I'm gonna log the results. It will send the items, and if promise has rejected, we can handle the error. It will reject the promise and call the catch method. Here I need to log the error. Let me run the application by using node app.js. Did you see that? I got all the items after 1 second. Let me show you how to implement AscynAwait. AscynAwait always works with promises. First of all, you need to create a async method. I'm gonna use process request. I'm gonna make it to async by using the async keyword. You just need to add the async keyword. And now you can apply the await expression on promise. I'm gonna apply the await expression on getItems. When the promise has been resolved after 1 second, it will give us the array of items. Now I want to store these items to the items variable. Now you can apply a wait expression on the promise. You can see that when the promise has been resolved, it will return the array of items. So I have stored the array in the items variable. Now you don't need to use any then method or catch method here. It will return the promise. This process request, this async function always return the promise. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna return the items from this async method. Now I have showed you how to consume the promise. The same process by using .then results. I'm gonna log the results. If everything is good, if something went wrong, I need to handle the error. I'm gonna log the error, console.error. Let's give a shot. I'm gonna run the node app.js. Did you see that? I got the result after 1 second. So maybe you wonder, you will say, why do we need AscynAwait? Let me show you the magic of AscynAwait. If you have to add complex logic on the promises, then you need to use AscynAwait. Now you don't need to use promise chaining. Let's imagine items 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. Now I'm gonna return the array items 1. Let me run the application again. Now you will see all the items after 7 seconds. Oops, I don't have this one. There is a warning error. Now I got all the items. So you just need to remember, process request async function always returns a promise, and you can apply a wait expression only on promises.